Action.
This is my Trebuchet. We have 35 pounds on. It's gonna be the weight, which is gonna.
What kind of energy is that?
Kinetic?
Yes.
Kinetic energy. It's gonna pull it down. This is gonna come flying over it, and if I'm correct, it should go at least 100 feet estimated.
Glorious.
What are you shooting?
We're shooting a baseball.
Why?
To support
soccer
RJ
field.
in his baseball career.
Okay, put it back in there. Looks good. Okay, and what's this string for?
This string is the trigger. If you pull on it, and that's what makes the gold wood trigger it and it flings the ball.
I don't know what Dad's doing.
Okay. Say 3, 2, 1 or countdown or something.
3, 2, 1. Woo!
Come on. Look at that, it's still flopping. Hi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47.
So
Mom, can I see the video?
So that would be 47 would probably be around 2 feet in measurement.
2 feet per step, which equals
100. Something around
94, yeah.
94 feet.
Is that where it landed?
Yeah.
You think it'll land there again?
Hopefully.
All right, count it off.
3, 2, 1.
Go. Where'd it go? Oh, God!
Yeah, that works better.
Go!
Hang on. Hang on. It's a good phone. Ah, it's getting wet. Arr. Hey, I like walking. And I'm recording it.
2,
Oh, wait.
1. 3, 2, 1.
I nearly got hit!
Yeah, can we do that again? Because I thought I was recording and I,
You weren't? Mom's face is disappointment. You're disappointed in yourself, aren't you, lady?
Mm-hmm. I know, wait, maybe I was. I was. Yeah, but we gotta do it. Should we do it again?
Yes, so I don't get hit in the face.
You won.
I think I nearly got shot. I'm recording this entire
You
thing.
two better stay over there.
I recorded the entire thing. I have Dad's phone. Don't make me kill you. Hello.
Alright, Mom, are you recording? You might be hitting her.
Ah, yay.
Are you recording, Mom?
I'm recording.
3, 2.
Need land direction. Don't judge me for my such slow speed.
Point out there.
Ew!
Okay, look. The arm is gonna go up to about, look at the screen.
I'm looking at it.
The arm's gonna go about to there. I wanna see everything, so step back a little bit.
And don't.
Why are you
Okay. Ready? Yeah.